Welcome back guys, VST here at Tech. In this video today we are going to test the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra versus the iPhone 14 Pro, and the test is going to be on which phone can keep applications in the background without killing them and without refreshing them. And if you have watched my videos yesterday, you probably would have known that I introduced the use of the Memory Guardian on the S23 Ultra. Why? Because the Memory Guardian provides really some comprehensive RAM management, and as such it also has the option to choose modes. So there is a default mode but also the quick switching mode, and the quick switching mode will help you keep more applications in the background. When using the previously used app again, it is more likely to run with the last state of the app, meaning not starting from the beginning, guys. So I'm just going to apply that one, and I'm just going to show you what I have in both phones right now. So a lot of applications already are opened. Okay, so I can just check here. This is the S23 Ultra, this is the iPhone. I'm gonna close everything, guys, just to make sure I'm starting really fresh. And pretty much no, on the iOS there is no close, which is kind of lame, but it's also explained as the fact that Apple, for example, do prefer to really do this management for you. And this is also the reason why the same close all button on the Pixel, Google, right, is just at the end. So right now, guys, I don't have any applications here. You can just see nothing really is loaded. Same happens also on the iPhone. Let me show you, nothing. Okay, and what we're gonna do right now, guys, we're gonna start with some of the first applications. So it's very important to memorize exactly where we are. All right, memorize this, because we are gonna open this 6 application plus 1 game 7, and then after I open the last one, I'm gonna return and we're gonna check which phone is going to show us really the place we left, or it's going to reload the application from scratch. And reloading means that it's not able to keep or doesn't want to keep the application in the memory, the last state. So without any further ado, guys, I'm starting with the Telegram. I have the same accounts everywhere. Okay, so I'm just gonna scroll down to here, and I'm gonna choose something, guys, that is very easy for us to memorize. Okay, so this is very, very important, else how do we know if we are using the same things? And for that sake, we probably need to just open one channel where we can see exactly the same information, and this is really gonna help us memorize. So I'm gonna go here inside and choose something from SemiFans. I believe that I have found what we need. It's gonna be the Samsung Reveal's AI-based moon photo detection system. I have this now on both phones, and I'm gonna go and exit. All right, so Telegram, think about a moon. Then the next thing is gonna be Messenger. So I'm gonna open Messenger, is the very same account that we have there. So I'm gonna open my exact same chat with the MIUI ROM. So this is very, very easy to spot, and again, it's something we can memorize. So test number 3 is going to be Facebook. So again, I have the same account open everywhere. This here is the very same exact post, and it's very easy for us to memorize. And guys, now I'm going to continue with the next test. The next test is going to be Twitter. So let me just open Twitter. Let me refresh Twitter. Okay. Very same post on both phones, guys. 2 more social apps to go. We're going to open Instagram. Okay, Instagram is interesting because it has videos, and all the time I was doing this test with my phones, yeah, reloading Instagram was almost the case with all of the phones. They were not really able to keep it in the memory, and we need to find here something that is unique and the same. So let's just get now on this suggested post. All right, so hamburger, whatever. So I have now opened TikTok, guys. Let's just try to open the same post here and see what happens when we go back. Okay, guys, also, I promised that I'm gonna run a game. This game is gonna be Temple Run 2. So I'm gonna run the game. I'm gonna start playing the game, and I'm gonna cycle through all of the applications. And when we reach this game one more time, it's gonna be very important to see, are we still in the game, or we are now back at the front menu. So I'm gonna hit play here. I'm gonna hit also play here, guys. All right, now the game is playing. Let me just go out from here and from here, guys. Now let's do the real test, guys. I'm gonna open Telegram, and from here we should expect a moon post. All right, pretty much kept in the memory. That's good. Now let's just open Messenger. Here we should expect a post or a chat with MIUI 14 ROM. Quite nice. Okay, now let's go Facebook, guys, and let's see if we have the same post. Very same post on both phones. Impressive. Okay, now let's go Twitter, guys. We should see also the same post. Impressive. Okay. The very same hamburger, guys, we left the application. I'm really impressed. And now, guys, let's open TikTok, see if we have the same car. Absolutely same post up and running. And now, guys, the last test is gonna be to open the Temple Run. So where is the Temple Run, guys? It is here. So let's just open Temple Run. Yeah, pretty much on the same spot, guys. Game can continue. From this test, I'm able to conclude that both phones can keep applications inside the memory, and this was not always the case, specifically with Samsung phones. And probably you might have already heard there is a whole dedicated site. This is the Don't Kill My App site, guys, and you can just see Samsung here is listed as the main offender, right? Killing applications. And yeah, it's a big story there, but right now I guess this is really improving, and specifically when using here this enhanced memory management option from the RAM Guardian that I showed you from the Good Guardians, guys, I think it's gonna get only better. And if you like content like this, guys, don't hesitate to support the channel.